My name is Megan Muth, and my speech is titled Adopt, Don't Shop. Have you ever heard the phrase adopt, don't shop? The phrase basically means that people should adopt from an animal shelter instead of buying from a store or puppy mill. Adopting your next pet from an animal shelter will help save a life. When you go to an animal shelter and see all the adorable dogs and cats, think about this. The majority of them will not get adopted and will have to be put down in order to make more room in the shelter. I have raised money and volunteered at my local animal shelter, and I've adopted several dogs from them as well. People should consider adoption for their next pet instead of buying from a store or puppy mill. Puppy mills are commercial breeding facilities that are made to mass produce puppies while not caring for the needs of the mothers and the puppies that they have. According to PAWS, around 90% of puppies in pet stores come from puppy mills. The mothers are confined to small, crowded cages with minimal shelter from the outside world. The animals suffer from malnutrition and starvation due to them not getting the proper food and clean water that they need. When the mother is no longer able to breed and have puppies, she is discarded of and usually killed. According to the American Kennel Club, puppies should not leave their mothers before 8 weeks, and most puppy mills take the puppies away from the mother to be sold much before that time. Backyard breeders, or people who breed dogs outside of their house, are okay places to buy from, but really adoption is the best option to do. Many backyard breeders are motivated by profit, so by doing your research, if you choose to buy from them, is definitely key. According to PAWS, red flags include the breeder not wanting to show the entire premise of the dog was bred and raised, breeders selling the puppies too young, and the breeders not caring about who buys the puppies and not asking questions. According to the breeding business, the fact is backyard breeders are a business, so they can choose to cut costs and cut corners to reduce their expenses so that they can make a better profit. Now that I explained the problems with breeders and puppy mills, I will tell you the solution: adopting from animal shelters. First, we can adopt from an animal shelter to help the animals there. Adopting from an animal shelter are beneficial for the dogs and cats that are held there. Animal shelters have a lot of animals being brought into them, and according to the Humane Society of the United States, each year it is estimated that more than 1 million dogs and cats had to be put down in the United States because there are too many animals coming in and not enough people considering adopting them. Adopting your next pet instead of buying will save a life and allow other animals the potential to be adopted from their facility. Consider adopting a non-purebred dog or cat because, according to the Humane Society of the United States, the dogs and cats that get adopted are usually purebreds, while the non-purebreds are looked over and not adopted. Second, we need to find other ways to help animal shelters out besides adopting from them. Many shelters are non-profits, so they need donations and volunteers to help them stay open. My local animal shelter has an aluminum can collection that people can donate to for them to get a little extra money. But other ways we can help is donating cat and dog food and donating toys to the dogs and cats for them to play with. You can also volunteer by walking their dogs or volunteering to play with the dogs and cats. Considering adoption instead of shopping will not only save a life, but it will also bring benefits to you and your family and the pet you adopted. Adopting a pet benefits many people and many animals. Most animal shelters have a wide variety of animals that you're able to view on their Facebook page or on the website. Adopting will also save you money. According to the Fremont Tribune, adopting a dog at the Dodge County Humane Society is $200. A puppy is $250, along with the purebred is also $250. And adopting a senior dog is half that price. Cats are $50 and kittens are $100. All of the animals at the Humane Society have been vaccinated and have been seen by a veterinarian, have been sprayed or neutered to prevent overpopulation, microchipped, and have been given their rabies shots for that year. This saves you money from having to go to the vet and having to take time out of your work to go to the vet to get their shots done. Adopting a pet has health benefits as well as for the humans as their pets. According to the CBC, health benefits of adopting a pet include decreased blood pressure, decreased cholesterol levels, decreased triglyceride levels, and decreased feelings of loneliness. You can also find an increase of opportunities for exercise and outdoor activities, and increased opportunities for socialization. I can see that buying that cute puppy that is looking at you behind the window at the store, it can be tempting, but remember where it comes from, because buying from that store will support the puppy mills, which is not good. Considering the option to adopt instead of shopping will help save lives and not support the puppy mills that they come from. Ways to help and make a difference are adopting from your local animal shelter, donating them, and volunteering for them. By adopting instead of buying from a puppy mill will help you with overpopulation of animals and from animals being put down in order to make more room in those shelters. You have a choice to adopt instead of shop. Make the decision and consider your actions. Contact your local animal shelter with any questions or inquiries, and consider adopting to help save those animals' lives. Thank you.